What's going on, guys? Alex here and welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a bit of a car day with the Clio. We've got Bar coming down in the TT, we've got some bits to do to that. We've got Bill coming down with his Beamer, got some more bits to do to that, and Sam's coming down in his TT. Don't think we've got anything to do to that. Maybe fix the aircon problem, but minimal in comparison. So yeah, but basically what it is, we've got a track day in 2 and a bit weeks time. So we need to do some prep work to the 3 cars that are all going on the track day. So this car actually had a track day a couple of weeks ago. Had it all booked already, but something popped up so I couldn't make it. So Bar and Bill and Sam took it to Brands Hatch instead. Sounds like one of them. And yeah, so worked out a few more kinks in it, and yeah, just going to sort that all out. I know starter motor's gone on it, so we've got a new one of them. Got a PMS Shifter to put in. We've got a new front brake system, set up, like discs and pads. Pads haven't arrived, so discs may be going in. We've got a stud and nut kit, but yeah, it's all good. So let's wait for the others to turn up and go in and crack on with this. So just a little bit of a heads up, this video is a bit raw, a bit all over the place. It was just a bit of a chaotic day really. So Bill was sort of working on the starter motor, and then everything just sort of like went all over the place. Can't remember how much I filmed of whatnot, but it is a little bit chaotic, but I'm hoping it's a little bit on the funnier side because there was a lot going on. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully you guys enjoy, but yeah.
And there's a ratchet there as well, 380. Alex, need a hammer, mate. There's no other option. Proper tight? Mate, is it proper tight? I am putting all my might into it. Oh, the hammer's there, flying. Oh my fucking god. I have a slot problem. Still think they're not tight?
That's definitely the thumbnail.
Ramp it up slightly and use the breaker box. Oh wait, that is gash.
We've got them to move.
Going to use the ridiculous size breaker bar that Alex has got when it will fit in the arch. Well, I say fit in the arch, fit underneath. What's a load of shit? Oh, it's a fucking thing. It's blind. Oh. I've got a nut there. That's a result. That's one thing off the start now. Did you bring your grinder? Yes. Alex.
Let's chop a bit.
Yeah. Let's fucking cut it. Already looks like someone's been in here with a grinder at the fucking inner arch, to be fair. That or it's rub. But it's like a dead straight perfect line. I mean, the fucking disc, mate. Bill! Yeah, mate, there's a whole fucking box of discs somewhere. You are literally the
Just sandpaper it.
There's loads left on that. Did you just say there's loads left on that? Now that's something you should have had on fucking film.
I have.
You can't see the fucking I need the biggest fucking disc possible to get in that arch as well. Look at the size. Bill's debating life. This grinder's definitely dead. Or is it dead? No, it works mentally. Can you actually see that from there, you blind fuck? Yeah, not bad. Yeah. That is allowable play, I reckon. That is what we'll call that.
Allowable play.
Allowable face play is the first minute this comes off at your head. What fucking bolt is what here? That is across the floor like that. Just destroyed the world's smallest grinder disc. Mate, keep that. I've destroyed it. I've still got some use of it.
You've still got some use?
It definitely hasn't now, it's got fucking 3 cracks in it. Bill, well, Have you ever listened to it? What does this sound like on full jack? Yeah, it was alright.
You got the bearings?
Yes.
Use the other one, mate, if you want.
Yeah, I'm fancying that idea.
I'll buy a new one.
Is this Kate's cheap one as well?
Yeah, that was a fucking Ling Long one.
That's probably why. Oh, I've hit at the bottom of the disc. How many parts? Oh, what day? Why is this not coming?
What's on fire under here?
You?
Your soul.
Bolt is gone. Look at how much it's chewed out.
Oh, I know. Because when we was going around track,
Yeah.
we kept rubbing and was like, fucking hell, the damper needs to keep going.
Yeah.
It needs to go up. Why is it rubbing on the corner? And then, obviously, I'd gone.
That's just another groove for driving in the wet. It's fine.
The fact you didn't answer me because I know you're running off something, let's find one.
Yep, really.
So I bought a stud kit from PMS as well. Pure Motorsport. Because this is just so much easier than dealing with English is failing me. Bolts. So cleaned all of these out. Yeah, so much better than that. So get them fitted as well as the other stuff. So here's the PMS shifter we're going to fit as well, or gear linkage kit. We've got builder and starter motor. So slowly coming together. And then at some point we're going to address all the interior, tidy all this up, wiring. Like, don't need the radio, don't need rear speakers, don't need any of that stuff. So slowly but surely it's going to come together. This focus is fucking shit.
Every time I
It's
pick,
focused on the disc.
yes, because this is too small. Every time I pick up something like that, I just think, why bother?
And now it's focusing on the one closest.
Fine.
No, no, just do it that way.
Just don't want to put too much on it. Do the starter threads, it'll run through all the threads. It's just weird that the disc is part of the hub. Never worked on a car like that because French.
Well, the little fucking...
It's a baby boy.
The little clip, the little igniter wire was quite loose, so whether it needs a new crimp on it and the actual starter motor is fine, but...
Tough.
It was already
Old
out.
starter motor, new one.
Alex,
Yep.
spin the wheel. What is the old one? Just try not to scratch the carbon tube.
Yeah.
Put a glove over the gear knob. I'm just waiting for a face to appear through the hole.
Hello.
Oh, there it is.
Right, grab my knob.
I've got pinners. Oh, we can't scratch the carbon, so we're all good.
That one fits a lot better than that one, doesn't
Right, can you hold it like there?
it? Yeah.
Then I'll look in a sec. We're in. I'm not going to let go until I know there's at least 2 bulbs on it, because that might like I let him in the head with it. Right, there's a car key. It's not in your pocket. That is a very long bolt.
angle will do.
Oh yeah.
Mate, the gearbox has fully got oil on it. Minor details.
Self-lubricating as well.
Self-lubricating the outside.
Just regular oil changes.
Anti-rust formula. I like the dog bone mount on this. It's just literally like a bar. There's no bush, it's literally just a bar and a bolt. Yeah. Unless this is an aftermarket jobby, which I think it is, because it's got...
It looks like a fucking vibrator.
Yeah, sort of.
I was going to put a 6mm in.
Oh wow, now you can actually see the circlet.
I was going to put a 4mm in, but I'm going to go for a 6 because that is what is in the rivet gun. It's not like life today.
The problem is the tool doesn't go small enough to get the fucker out. Oh, pinged off. Oh, it has. We haven't got any pliers, have we? It's started to come out, and I have a really bad feeling if I continue it's about to ping. Whereas if I had a pair of pliers, I could...
Hand like fully over it.
I can't. The fucking shifter like swan neck bit's in the way.
If it pings, you find it.
That's not the way it happens. Ah, it's out. Right, do not lose. The amount of shit you get on your head from being underneath that.
It's bad, isn't it?
Yeah. So I'm wiping this and it's bad.
I had a shower last night because our fucking hot water's fucked in it, so you have to like manually turn it on and put a towel under the fucking thing, cylinder, until we get that new one fitted.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, I probably won't get that dirty yet, but I was at fucking Alex's. I'm definitely gonna have to do it again tonight. She is mint. I bet it does not go in gear though.
Right, so many hours later, Clio is all done. Nut and stud kit done all round. If we go inside, we now have the PMS Shifter. So it's just much better throw, better position up here. It's just so much nicer. And then the starter motor, didn't even need to replace it. So it was just one of the little plugs wasn't really on it properly. So now we know that is now back on there properly and sorted. So, oh jeez, there we go. Yeah, so it's all done. So took it all out for nothing, but you know, it is what it is. At least we know that what it was. So next time I'll just check out whether it's plugged in or not. But yeah, that's it. Nice long day. Thanks so guys as always, and yeah, been a bit of a hectic video I think. Can't actually remember what I filmed, but I'll work that out in the editing. I think it's probably just going to be one of them fun ones with just a bit of everything chucked in. And yeah, so still got a few more things to do before brands. Just wait for the pads to turn up, then we can do the brakes, flush out the fluid, new fluid, do the discs and pads on the front. I think that's it. I might do like some interior lighting in here because I've got nothing, and obviously in the evenings it's quite dark. So I want to do like an LED strip on the front with a little switch. It'll just make life a little bit easier for me. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you do prefer this kind of style with everyone just sort of jumping on doing stuff, let me know because it's quite fun. Days go by quite quickly and it's just easier. So thanks for watching guys. Make sure you subscribe for the next video, and yeah, see you soon.